Hi everyone, what percent of 20 is 6? What means we're looking for something here? Percent means 100, of means multiply. Okay. 20 is means equals. So we're going to write this as an equation. So we say 100 multiply by 20 equals 6 by 21 by 25. So we're going to write it again here. 5 equals to 6. We're going to multiply both sides by 5 equals to 30%. So this is our answer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.